Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you must have read in the title that I am going to share my advanced maths keynotes with you all. So these notes will be handwritten. I myself prepared those when I was preparing for my mains exam. So let me just show you a glimpse of those notes. This is for geometry, starting from polygons, then we have triangles, properties of triangles, sine rule, cosine rule, everything, classification, then all the main points, the area of triangle formulas, then different theorems. So you will find everything in these notes, and these are only for advanced maths. These won't be very detailed, but it will cover all the key points, so it will be perfect for your revision, last moment revision. Before the exam you can just revise these notes and you will be done. So I'll be sharing the notes of geometry, mensuration, algebra and trigonometry on my Telegram channel. So the link of the Telegram channel is in the description box down below. Kindly join it, but I need support from you all. So I have a live class tomorrow on Unacademy. It is a free live session tomorrow 31st Jan, and it is from 3 to 5 p.m. It is the ultimate master class on static GK. So what we'll do in this session is we'll cover everything related to India state wise. For example, if we take a particular state like Rajasthan, so we'll begin by discussing its capital, then CM, governor, then the folk dances, the festivals celebrated there, the national parks, biosphere reserves, wildlife sanctuaries, the airports, and if it's a coastal area, then the seaports also, which rivers go through that state. So all of these things we'll cover state by state. So we'll try to cover as many states and UTs in these 2 hours, and if we are unable to complete all the states, then we'll schedule another session. So I really need your support and I want maximum live learners. So all you have to do is use my code Tushangi10. It is absolutely free. This is your unlock code. So if you are new on Unacademy, if you are new to it, then you can use this code Tushangi10. It is the unlock code, and you can avail not just my free sessions but every educator's free sessions on Unacademy, and plus subscription is not required for it. So I'll put the link of the class in the description box down below. You can log in on Unacademy using your number and ID and choose your goal SSC exams. Then in the free live classes tab, you can search my name Tushangi Gupta and you will find this session, or you can directly find it in the link down below. But if it asks for an unlock code, just use Tushangi10 to avail it for free. So I want maximum learners, at least 1,000 live learners in this session tomorrow. And if we reach that goal, I'll surely send all these notes tomorrow itself on the Telegram channel. And there is another news that I want to share with you all. Unacademy is conducting practice PYQ test series in February. So as you can see, all these mock test series, there will be 10 tests. So it will be conducted every day, almost every day at 11 a.m. The first ranker will get a free subscription for 1 month. The second and third rankers will get 2,000 and 1,000 worth Amazon vouchers. Also, there is this daily current affairs code booster series. This will also be in February at 12 p.m. daily. So your weekly current affairs will be covered in this mock test series. You can just read the current affairs or learn those from any source, and you can test your preparation on this. Then there is a static GK jackpot test with Varun Avasthi sir. So you can cover the static GK portion from the live classes that I am taking or any other source, and then you can test your preparation in these mock test series. These will also be in February every day at 7 p.m. And there is another subject wise mock test series. So there are also special rewards over here. First ranker will get 1 month free subscription of Unacademy Plus, and the second and third rankers will get 2,000 and 1,000 rupees worth Amazon vouchers. It will be on 2nd, 9th, 16th and 23rd Feb at 5 p.m. English, Quants, GK and Reasoning. So if you want to enroll on Unacademy, just download the Unacademy Learning app, and while purchasing your subscription for any exam, you can use my code Tushangi10. So whether it's for SSC, railways or banking, whichever exam you're preparing for, Unacademy is the perfect study partner for you. And Tushangi10, this code will give you instant 10% off on your subscription. So do not forget to use this code. for your Plus subscription as well as for availing the free live classes. So that's it for this video. I hope you will be benefited, and if you do, if you find any value from my videos, then kindly press the like button and subscribe to my channel and share it with all your friends who are preparing for SSC and other competitive exams. This is Tushangi signing off. Bye.